Alright, you're here with Steve from Tricked Out Cycles, and this is the Tricked Out Road King. So please enjoy. This is a 2017 Harley Davidson with a TRASK Turbo. This bike has also been outfitted with front and rear Dirty Works air ride, also with the MRI Landing Gear. It's got the internal tank, which is the swing arm, Renegade Wheels, matching rotors, oversized calipers, custom bars, forward controls, Dakota gauges. Man, I can't even keep telling you how many stuff this bike has. This is one off with all the best components. I put this together for myself, and now I'm offering this bike to you. So it is time to let this go. One of my personal bikes, you can own it. So check it out. This bike has well over $50,000 invested, and we are letting it go to a new owner. So watch the videos, DM us, email with any questions, comments, and we hope we hear from you. So remember, get tricked out for all your motorcycle needs.